it's Samgyupsal Day, and good thing. We are actually back dito sa Samgyupsalamat.
Yeah, so nananandaan ka pa when this was open, talagang ang dami ng haba ng pila.
Yes, yes.
I'm very grateful kasi first time here.
Oh, so last time kami dalawa lang ni Mark. So matitikman mo rin,
Yeah,
finally.
I am very excited kasi hindi something.
Exactly. Actually guys, what they did for today, invitation namin ay reopening. So it's parang due time na nagkaroon ng renovations or mga ganyan. So if you're gonna visit now, grabe, ang ganda ng renovation. So new chairs, new tables, actually new air conditioning, new yung mga ventilation system. So ang ganda ng renovation there. So not just the food, actually the place in itself talagang very pretty clean.
Yeah, very comfortable.
Kain na tayo!
This is their Yang beef. So, part din to ng unlimited dito sa may Samgyupsalamat. Mas pinarami yung meat and pinadami yung mga side dishes. We have many options. So, meron kayong beef, chicken, and pork. So, for only 599 pesos, you could enjoy all this one. Unlimited iced tea, unlimited cheese, rice, and kanila unlimited egg. Yan. So, sulitin na natin. So, habang mainit pa, kumain na tayo.
So actually, we're very happy to say that the San Fernando Pampanga store is celebrating its 6th year anniversary also. So it coincides that they have a refresh look here in San Fernando Pampanga. So we look forward to many more years and congratulations to our franchisee. Samgyupsalamat. We would like to invite everyone to visit Samgyupsalamat, San Fernando, Pampanga.